we have a new arrival. This is a Cube Analog 29er. There's a RockShox xc30 fork on the front. There's a remote lockout on here, as well as a rebound adjustment underneath. And I bet they've lost the rebound adjustment thingy. Yes, they have. Very common. The frame itself is in pretty good condition, immaculate condition. I'm told it only has 180 miles on it, and I quite fully well believe that. We have XT 9-speed, which is a bit strange. This is a 2017 bike. I thought they discontinued XT way before that, but apparently not. You can still buy these. They're at £50. They're quite expensive to purchase. 9-speed cassette. You won't see it on camera, but the teeth are pretty good despite the grease or whatever crap that is. It's not normal chain lube. We have an Livio 3x on the front here. Standard square taper, nothing special there. It's bolted so you can replace the chain rings and make it 1x if you want. It has these lovely DMR pedals on it. Moving to the seat post, it's a really narrow seat post. I don't know off the top of my head what diameter that is, but I'm pretty sure you can't run a dropper post. The seat is Cube's own seat. It even has the original reflector on the back. This is purchased from Thomas Cycle Revolution. There's a plastic lightweight bottle holder. I said the DMR pedals are rather nice. For brakes we have the Shimano hydraulics, which are, despite the fact they're hydraulic, they really don't provide that much stopping power. In fact, I'd say they're worse than V-brakes. So I'm going to change the pads out on those and bleed them to see if it makes any difference at all. Headset's integrated, it's a straight steer. None of this modern tapered rubbish. It's a straight old-fashioned steer, no frame reinforcements here at all. This is a cross-country bike. Cabling is internal, as you can see. The welding on this bike looks a little concaved here, covered here so you can't really see it. Overall, not bad at all. It's really nice down there actually. There, it looks like it's quite nice, but it's covered so I can't really see it. Handlebars and stem, they have these weird narrow handlebars, and I mean they are narrow, they're like 660 wide or something like that. Quite a long stem. About 80mm stem in total, so it's a really long stem. The grips are literally just standard Cube ones, they're not lock on or anything like that. They look like they're fairly hard to get off though. I have got the 29er mountain bike tyres with it as well. The wheels are these Alex rims with reinforced spoke eyelets, which is nice to see on a bike like this. One Shimano TX505 made in China. Shimano hubs with centre lock rotors. You can see there it's centre lock. Technology Shimano is really pushing at the time, and it has a single piece at the front here, skewer, that you just, without that little tiny piece it sits on like the Walmart bikes. So overall, it's not a bad bike. I have ridden this 10 miles so far, just picking it up actually, and yeah, it rides really well. Yeah, can't complain. I'm going to put the mountain bike tyres on there, but apart from that, it's a pretty decent bike. Head angle's pretty steep on it, being it's about 70 degrees, but this is a cross-country bike, and I've definitely put some slightly wider bars on it than that and a shorter stem. That concludes this video. See you later.